What's up, guys? FearRoback here from the Ghost Squadron Airsoft team. I got a small video of some gameplay from House Survivors on September 9th, 2016. In this small clip, all I was doing was just covering the front door of the castle. Yeah, our spawn's back here, so... Alright, I'm going in, so...
Dead man out! Dead man out! My hand gets wet.
Hello. Watch the house, watch the castle. I got this corner. Is that our guys in the house?
Are there people in the castle?
Yeah. Is our guys in the castle or theirs? They're throwing smoke. They're gonna try and push. They're throwing smoke. Here they come. Light that blue up. Go! Yep, better call it. They're down, they're down. I think one got in though.
Thank you, I'm out. Watch up top.
Yeah. Now, like I said, this was just a small video. I will try and get some more videos up as soon as I can. My next time out playing will be at House Survivors on October 1st, 2016. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys out there.